No.
Okay.
Yeah, we know you are. So.
Yep.
Good.
Alrighty.
Okay,
Take it away, Brad.
Hello, I met Dana Derricks at the place in Vegas for the first time, but I picked up on his books with copywriting because I need to do a better project with my copywriting. So I picked up his books and I read his books. Then we heard about the Mastermind group and I jumped all over it best I could, and I was finally accepted. And coming out of the Mastermind program, I come out with the value ladder and the benefits. I took benefits as being like the prime one benefit, but as it was mentioned, it was the primary and secondary benefits, which was totally awesome and a better understanding about your benefits. So, and then coming to meeting with the speakers in the mastermind group, meeting special 2 speakers, it's really going to help me out setting up my new products coming in. So greatly appreciate it. This whole thing has been freaking awesome. That in. Cut.
Yeah.
Got it.